Organic waste in Australia accounts for nearly 2/3 of waste sent to landfill. This organic waste will over time generate greenhouse gases such as methane. The global warming potential of methane is about 20 times greater than carbon dioxide. Diversion of organic waste from landfill is one of the most obvious ways of avoiding generation of this greenhouse gas. Industrial composting of organic waste offers an alternative to landfilling. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions and provides other benefits. For example, composted organic waste returned to farmers, nurserymen or households aids in putting carbon back into the soil, increasing the soil's water holding capacity, reducing the need for chemical fertilisers and improving soil structure. Organic waste bags made of BASF's Ecoflex are certified to Australian standards AS 4736-2006, which means that they fully biodegrade into water, biomass and carbon dioxide in an industrial composting facility. Certified compostable organic waste bags are the ideal way of hygienically source separating this organic waste in either the household or commercial premises. When these compostable bags are used to collect organic waste, there is also no need to separate the bags from the waste. The bags and waste can be processed together and, under defined conditions at the industrial composting site, be converted into high-quality compost. This saves time and labour. Around the globe, sustainable environmental practices are being adopted by local communities as well as industry. Woolworths is one such example.
At Woolworths, we have a commitment to remove all organic waste from landfill by 2015. Working with local programs and with committed Woolworths store managers, we're on track to achieve this.
At Woolworths Leeton, we source separate our organic waste to ensure it doesn't end up in a landfill. This has been a very easy process that has been embraced by all our staff.
The Ecoflex and Ecovio organic waste bags used are also water resistant and prevent leakage from organic waste. Because they are elastic and tear resistant, the bags also remain intact right until they are processed at the industrial composting site.
These compostable bags are an ideal solution for the collection and separation of organic waste at the source, for example in restaurants, clubs, cafes and at the home level.
Our biodegradable resins are produced from various combinations of petrochemical and renewable resources. The molecules are designed in such a way that they give a good balance of properties, but at the same time are easily digestible by microorganisms.
To demonstrate the ease with which organic waste can be collected at the household or commercial premises, BASF, Woolworths and Zero Waste Australia and the Murrumbidgee Shire Council developed the COOL project.
I just wish that every council in Australia took up this plan and all our organic waste could be used for the betterment of the community.
Compost Australia is the peak national body for the recycled organics processing and marketing industry. We are pleased to endorse the diversion of compostable organic materials from landfill to composting. The use of certified compostable plastics such as BASF's Ecoflex and Ecovio is one sure way to hygienically source, separate and transport these organic materials from businesses and households to composters.
The Cooperation for Organics Out of Landfill project collected organic waste in certified compostable bags made from the BASF plastic Ecoflex to demonstrate that these bags will fully biodegrade in any industrial composting site.
This is the COOL project. What we have here is the source separated organics from a supermarket. Source separated into these bags. This one actually came from a cafe. The bags provide a medium to transport the organic waste to a site like this and allows for source segregation and source separation of the product. That's the key to the game.
In addition to the COOL project, BASF, Woolworths and Zero Waste Australia commissioned a scale-up of the trial. At Hilltop Farm near Leeton in regional New South Wales, using an alternate form of composting, windrows, to again demonstrate that Ecoflex and Ecovio bags will fully biodegrade. This illustration demonstrates what happens when bags made from BASF's Ecoflex and Ecovio are composted. Together with the organic waste, Ecoflex and Ecovio are consumed in the compost heap by microbes. Nothing will remain except nutrient-rich biomass, water and carbon dioxide. Other types of bags also claim to be compostable, but are they really? So-called oxo-degradable bags will not be consumed by microbes and do not biodegrade under industrial composting conditions. Therefore, they are not certified as compostable according to the Australian Standard 4736/2006. Polyethylene bags, the most common type of plastic bag, should never end up in the compost. They do not decompose and interfere with the composting process. At the Windrow trial, BASF employees placed bags made from Ecoflex and Ecovio within one clearly marked area of the windrow, and oxo-degradable bags and polyethylene bags in a separately marked area.
Here we are back at the Cool project. We put a truckload of organic waste in Ecoflex bags. We turned it at 6 weeks. Here we are at 12 weeks and it's fully composted. Here we are back at the windrow at Hilltop Farm, where 12 weeks ago we put a ute load of organic waste in Ecoflex and Ecovio bags. And as you can see, they've completely biodegraded and composted. There's nothing left. Back at the windrow, where we buried organic waste in oxo-degradable and polyethylene bags. You saw the results we got there with a 100% certified compostable bag. This is the result when you don't have that sort of guarantee. No matter what the bag says on it, unless it's certified to an Australian standard, you can't be sure that it's going to compost. This is the result. What we've demonstrated in the Cool project and out here at Hilltop is that we've got paddock to plate food safety, and with 100% compostable bags, source separated organics can be contained and transported and utilised in composting systems like this and get those nutrients back safely into our soils, saving greenhouse gases, saving energy and saving our soils.
The use of certified compostable plastics such as BASF's Ecoflex and Ecovio is one sure way of hygienically source separating and transporting organic waste to composters. BASF, the chemical company. The Cool project has been awarded a special commendation by the United Nations Association of Australia World Environment Day Awards 2012. BASF Australia and our partners thank you for watching.